Let's see how you can navigate quickly between all your open tabs. First, you can use a keyboard shortcut to jump directly to a specific tab. Go to Safari, Settings, Tabs, and make sure the option Use Command 1 through Command 9 to switch tabs is checked. Once it's enabled, you can press Command 1 to go to your first tab, Command 2 for the second, and so on. Here's a pro tip. Command 9 doesn't just go to the 9th tab, it will always jump to your very last tab, no matter how many you have open. Another way to move is by cycling through your tabs. Use Control-Tab to move one tab to the right. If you want to go backward, just add the Shift key, Control-Shift-Tab. You can find these actions in the Window menu. This also means you could change the shortcuts later using the App Shortcuts feature, but we'll talk about that in a future lesson. If you have too many tabs open, you can use Tab Overview for a bird's eye view. Press Shift, Command, \\, and Safari will display all your open tabs in a visual grid. You can open new tabs from here, but the best part is the search bar. This search doesn't read the content of the pages, but it does search the website title and URL, which is usually enough to find what you're looking for. By the way, did you know you can also use the main address bar to switch tabs? Press Command L to highlight the address bar. Start typing the name of a tab you already have open, and you'll see a Switch to Tab suggestion. Just select it and press Return to jump right to it. Now, what if you close a tab by mistake? We've all been there. Your first instinct might be to press the universal Undo shortcut, Command Z. This sometimes works, but if you've done any other action in the meantime, like type a single letter, Command Z will undo your typing, not reopen the tab. The specific reliable shortcut you want is Shift Command T. This reopens your last closed tab. The cool thing is that it has a memory. If you keep pressing this combination, it will keep reopening your previously closed tabs, one by one. It's basically working its way down your recently closed list. Speaking of which, that recently closed list can also appear on your start page. To make sure you see the start page when you open a new tab, go to Safari, Settings, General, and set New Tabs Open With to Start Page. You'll see other options here too, like opening a blank page or Same Page, which duplicates your current tab. This Same Page option can be handy, but I don't recommend it as your default setting. Instead, if you just occasionally need to duplicate your current tab, there's a great workaround. There's no default shortcut, but you can press Command L to highlight the address bar, and then press Command Return. This opens the current address in a new tab, effectively duplicating it.